Welcome to ENOTOPP, where custom cutting comes to life. This rear-loading electronic saw is a tailor-made prescription for high-volume, narrow-strip cutting. To handle your heavy-duty operations, we have reinforced the machine frame and support legs with thicker and stronger construction. Don't overlook these details. Every reinforcement is hardcore support, rapidly implemented, and precisely optimized for your actual operating conditions. The sheer cutting volume on the screen and the smooth edges it produces, that's our most direct translation of stability. At ENOTOPP, we don't race to the bottom on price, we race to the top on technology. ENOTOPP, when it comes to custom sawing, we've got the confidence to say, you name the requirement, we craft the solutions. You focus on production, we handle the rest. Customization is simple. Your challenges become our strengths.